Just a little information about us. Crossroads Technologies has been guiding clients through technology and business changes since 1996. We're an established and respected IT and business availability organization with competencies in consulting, IT management, infrastructure, and cloud hosting. We're headquartered in Pennsylvania with offices nationwide. And likewise, you'll find that our data centers are located throughout the country. Historically, we've focused on the healthcare industry, which is why we place a high value on being HIPAA and high trust assessed. But nowadays, we also provide consulting, IT management, and cloud hosting services to businesses of all industries and of all sizes. And most importantly, we're not limited to any verticals, markets, or geographies. So without further ado, let's discuss the cloud. First of all, the cloud is no longer just a buzzword. It's the means to providing valuable business solutions that you, as a reseller, and your customers require. In fact, a majority of enterprise businesses not only enable cloud solutions, they use multiple clouds. Moreover, the latest trends show that these benefits extend across the business landscape from enterprise to SMB firms. So if you're concerned whether providing cloud services might be out of your scope, you might want to reconsider. I can't stress enough the value of the cloud. It can provide increased accessibility, cloud cost improvements, and business agility. What that means is that your data is available wherever, whenever you need it, and at a lower price than you would by continually purchasing new hardware, refreshing that hardware, and maintaining it. So now that you've made the decision to be a reseller of cloud services, consider the following points that I'll be sharing in the next few slides. First, determine your offerings. Are you going to provide services as your customers request them, or will you add new offerings to your portfolio? Will you offer basic cloud services such as storage and backup, or will you provide more complex solutions such as disaster recovery and application hosting? Making that decision about what you will offer will allow you to hone in on your market and make it easier to identify potential customers. I've only included a few of the services that you can provide, and there are many others, but narrowing what you'd like to work with will then allow you to move to the next step. If you're providing services that are more complex, you will need to determine if you require training or certifications that might be beyond your capabilities. The relevant question then becomes whether your provider has experience in those areas, and if they have the ability to assist you with training, consulting, and or customer support. And keep in mind that the more expertise you have backing up your solutions, the more your customers will trust you. And then lastly, make customer service your number one goal. Make sure that your customers receive fast, effective assistance if there are any service or technical support issues. With that in mind, do you have the capability, the manpower and expertise to provide Tier 1 support? If not, will your provider be able to step in as your first line of support, and do you need them to provide white label services? Crossroads offers a cloud partnership with value-added resellers that is unique to cloud computing. You will gain a trustworthy, experienced advisor, increase your profitability, create new opportunities, and differentiate yourselves from your competitors. As a Crossroads partner, you will gain a competitive edge by adding world-class data and application hosting services and support to your portfolio. Let's review what services we offer that you can provide to your customers. A private cloud can improve data security and also make better use of existing IT resources. Our private cloud removes the bottlenecks that result from manual setups of middleware provisioning. And with full automation across infrastructure and middleware, you can provision in just minutes, while reducing IT workloads, errors, and costs. And Crossroads offers a wide variety of services that enable your business to succeed. We customize our solutions to give businesses the ability to outsource a single application or an entire application portfolio. New development, legacy systems maintenance, remote programming, and management of packaged applications are just the beginning of what we offer. When you reallocate the management of your applications into our hands, we take care of the conversions and create an implementation solution that is tailored fit to your needs. Businesses have more control over their data as it is stored and managed centrally in the cloud. Crossroads Desktop as a Service is the most versatile option for businesses looking to optimize desktop administration, maintenance, and management, support a mobile workforce, and modernize an outdated desktop environment. Crossroads Desktop as a Service allows you to enjoy the many benefits of desktop virtualization without having to buy, build, and manage your own infrastructure. By managing all aspects of this environment, we dramatically optimize productivity and eliminate downtime. With this level of control, we are able to deliver a seamless experience to your end users. Now, it is more important than ever for an organization to find knowledgeable professionals to develop a business continuity plan that adheres and evolves with current standards. From backups and replication to disaster recovery, Crossroads works with you to create the most efficient and secure solutions you can provide. Seamless communication within an organization is the core of collaboration, productivity, and innovation. Content is constantly being transferred between users, devices, and platforms. Internal communication can, in some cases, become a bottleneck, disrupting operations. A cloud-based unified collaboration platform provides businesses with a solution that optimizes communication and streamlines operations. With Crossroads Collaboration Services, your clients will be able to stay connected, communicate with their businesses, and enhance their operations. Crossroads solutions are housed in data centers that adhere to proven and structured processes and procedures that ensure that all technology assets are available and secure. We stay abreast of emerging trends and technologies and continually invest in and expand our resources to best serve our partners. You can see from the chart some of what we provide in terms of security, whether dual pathways or redundant routing infrastructure. And speaking of security, our data centers are compliant with HIPAA and HITRUST regulations. They call for firewall, multi-factor authentication, and internal and external vulnerability scanning, all of which we provide as you need. We manage and monitor our clients' cloud environments 24/7 by 365 to keep them ahead of the curve in regards to their compliance status and are committed to meeting all of our cloud compliance requirements. A one-size-fits-all pricing approach is unrealistic with a wide variety of requirements presented by individual organizations. Crossroads' flexible financial model is built on our understanding that every business is unique, which is why we apply a client-centric approach. Unlike the majority of cloud computing providers like AWS or Azure, our financial model does not nickel and dime you with the fluctuating monthly bills. Instead, we create a predictable monthly cost that fits your budget, with solutions that are all-inclusive and financially backed by a 100% service level agreement. I believe a quote from our president and CEO sums up perfectly what we commit to you, the value-added reseller. He says, "The key to a lasting partnership is to establish a mutually beneficial relationship. Crossroads is committed to working together closely to jointly create a successful cloud practice. As a Crossroads reseller, we promise to continually work to jointly capitalize on the emerging data hosting market while respecting client relationships above all else. The partner program is an added tool in our partners' belt to complement their portfolio and increase your bottom line with flexible and generous margins and a product that your clients will come to see as a backbone to their IT." I couldn't have said it better myself. Next steps. I would like to invite you to our strategic consultation where we can begin to develop a custom solution that fits your needs. A channel engagement manager will learn more about your current infrastructure model and how our services could fit your needs. Then we would present to you a plan that reduces your current cost and the complexity of your cloud solution. To schedule this call, you can email our team at channelpartner@crossroadstech.net so we can continue this conversation and go into depth regarding any questions you may have. Again, feel free to contact us at any time. We would enjoy having that conversation with you and look forward to speaking with you again. Thank you.